Okay, you fit spell Nigeria, the country.
Yeah, have you spell now?
Yeah, spell them.
Go school.
Yeah.
N-I.
Yes.
I can't put G-E-R-I-A. I can't put Nigerian. I put N for the ending.
No R for there.
She out did it. Plus I'll skip on.
Try again.
I'll skip on.
Try again.
N-I-G-E-R-I-A-N.
You just spell Nigerian now.
Skip on.
You don't add another one.
N Nigerian.
You fit spell Nigeria.
Hey. And Nigeria. Bro, if I dey US, I no go lie for you. I go spell Nigeria.
Will you keep quiet?
But as I dey here like this, I no fit spell am.
Mommy, if you spell Nigeria.
Yeah.
Yes, try. Me, yeah.
L-E-G-E-R-I-A.
Nigeria. Try am again. Let's go.
L-E-G-I-L.
You know you can be prosecuted for that.
Can you spell the country Nigeria?
Yes, now.
Yeah, spell.
Nigerian. Nigeria.
Correct. You fit spell the country Nigeria?
If you speak of the country Nigeria,
Are you normal?
Why they repeat what they talk? I say you fit spell Nigeria.
if you speak Nigeria now,
Spell Nigeria. Spell am.
speak Nigeria.
You are a mumu man.
You fit spell Nigeria.
Have you spelled Nigeria now?
Is that so? Oh yes.
Oh yeah, spell am.
N-I-G-E-R-I-A.
Can you spell Nigeria?
Nigeria.
All right, so you fit spell Nigeria, your country.
Sure.
Oh yeah, spell am.
N-I-G-E-R-I-E.
G-E what?
G-E-R-I-A.
Okay. You fit spell the country Nigeria.
N-I-G-E-R-I-A.
Correct.